Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed and completed poem 10. In today's session, children, let us discuss lesson 11, Latula the Top. So, this lesson is part 1 of Latula the Top. Here, Latula was a very special top. Red and yellow lights flashed when she went round and round. Latula belonged to Ria. Ria made her spin all day. So here, Latula was a special top. As you know that you children will love to play with the top. So here, Latula was a special top. So when she spin, here, red and yellow lights will flash. So she looks so beautiful. And Latula likes to spin round and round. And this Latula belongs to a small girl. Her name was Ria. So Latula was Ria's special top. For the whole day, Ria used to spin Latula. And Latula loved spinning, moving round and round. Next, Latula loved it. I'm Latula, the dancing top, she saw. She sang. So Latula loved spinning round and round, moving round and round. So she feels very happy, and Latula says that I'm Latula, the dancing top. At night, Ria left Latula on a table. Latula didn't like to sit still. She hopped down slowly and quietly rolled out of the door. She began to spin round and round. She flew into the air. Hey, she called, watch me dance in the air. So, for the whole day, Ria used to spin Latula, and Latula liked spinning round and round for the whole day. So, Latula used to say that I am the dancing top. So at night, when Ria is going to bed, before going to the bed, Ria left Latula on a table. Now Latula doesn't like sitting idle without dancing. So she jumped down the table very slowly, quietly. Then she went out of the door. She rolled out of the door. And after going out of the room of Ria, Latula, she spun round and even she flew in the air also. And while she was flying in the air with a lot of happiness, she called, hey, watch me dance in the air. Even I can dance in the air also. Then, who's that? Buzz the mosquitoes. It's not a mosquito, it's not a bee. Who is it? Asked Granny Mosquito. Now, as Latula is dancing in the air, flying in the air, by seeing Latula, the mosquitoes were discussing that, who's that? Granny Mosquito said that it's not a mosquito or it's not a bee. Then who is this? So the teeny mosquito cried out that it's a flying saucer. See the lights. So the teeny mosquito, it said, as Granny is saying that it's not a mosquito, it's not a bee, then who is it? Then teeny mosquito cried out that it might be a flying saucer. See the lights, see the red and yellow lights. Now see, you can see this is Latula the top. Yellow and red lights when it spin out. And this is Ria. Flying saucer, fly for your lives, Granny Mosquito buzzed. So now, is it a flying saucer? So then escape from the flying saucer. Fly away from here to save your lives, Granny Mosquito said. That is, buzzed. Silly, Latula laughed. She dropped down and rolled into the living room. The tables and chairs were quiet and still. Now, by seeing the mosquitoes, Latula laughed at silly fellows. And then she dropped down herself and she rolled, and now she went into the living room. Now what will be there in the living room? As it is a sitting room, the sofas, tables, chairs are there, and all are very quiet. They are they are in their place very quiet. The tables and chairs were very quiet and still, that is, they are not at all moving. Now by seeing the tables and chairs, Latula sang, want to watch me dance? Grandpa Sofa opened an eye. Who is making this noise? He asked. That shiny little thing, said the big chair. It's just a top, said the big chair. Big tea. It's just a top, said the big table. So now Latula is singing and dancing and moving around in the house. Now Latula went to the living room and it is singing song as Then, want to watch me dance? Then, by listening to the words of Latula, Grandpa Sofa opened his eyes and then he asked that who is making this noise? Then Big Chair gave the reply to Grandpa Sofa that the noise was made by the shiny little thing. Then Big Table said that it's just a top. I'm not just a top, Latula cried. I'm a dancing top. Tops don't dance, they just spin, said the Big Table. Oh yes, they do, Latula said. You can't even move a leg. I can too, the Big Table yelled. Then Latula said that I'm not just a top, I'm a dancing top. So when the Big Table said to Grandpa Sofa that it's just a top, then Latula said that I'm not just a top, I'm the dancing top. So Big Table said that tops don't dance, they just spin. It's not dancing, it's just spinning, Big Table said. Then Latula said that, oh yes, they do. And then it said that you can't even move a leg. But Big Table yelled, shouted that I can too, I can move my leg. Then, you can't do this. Latula flew up and landed on top of the Big Table. She skated on its smooth back. Stop, cried the Big Table. It hurts. Latula slid off the table. So now, as Big Table said that it's just spinning, not dancing, it's just spinning. And Latula said that yes, I do. Now can you move? You can't move your leg, even a leg. But the Big Table shouted that I can move. Then Latula shouted on him that you can't do this, and then it flew up and now skating on the Big Table. The table was very smooth, so Latula started skating on the Big Table. Now the Big Table shouted that stop doing that, it hurts me. As I am getting pain, you stop skating on my back. Then Latula slid off the table, that is, then Latula moved out of the table. Catch her, yelled the Big Table. You can't, Latula sang. She flew out through the window. She has run away, screamed the small table. Catch her quick, shouted the Big Table. Now, as Latula slid down, Big Table shouted that catch her. But Latula sang very sweetly that you can't catch me. And she flew away through the window. Now Small Table said to the Big Table that she has ran away. But Big Table shouted that catch her quickly. The Big Chair opened the door. The Big Table came out. The Big Chair followed. I'm coming too, said the Small Table. And I, said all the tables and chairs and ran out of the door. All except Grandpa Sofa and the dining table. Catch me if you can, Latula hummed. Now as the Small Table said that, Latula ran away through the window. She ran away. Big Table shouted that catch her quickly. Then the Big Chair opened the door. Now Big Table came out. Now all the remaining chairs and tables followed the Big Chair. They said that, Small Table said that I'm coming too. Then I said all the tables and chairs, and all they have ran out of the door. Except the dining table and Grandpa Sofa, all the tables, small table, big table, chairs, all the tables and chairs went out of the door following Latula. But Latula is singing song, humming that catch me if you can. So that is about the lesson Latula, the top. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's your homework, read lesson 11, La to La, the top. That's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.